All right, so there are three methods that can help you find the midpoint. And the first method I'm going to show you is the one that we did yesterday for partitioning, and then I will make two other videos with two different methods in case you want to try them. And so in the first method, in that method, we had step one, which was to plot the points. Okay, so we're going to plot the points. So we're given G, which is at 7, -5. Which is right here. So this is G. And then you have H, which is at 9, -1, which is right here. So there it is. So if you're doing the method that we did yesterday, step 2 would be identify, rise, and run. And it doesn't matter with midpoints where your starting point is. So I'm always just going to start on the left. It's just the easiest. So my rise is 4. And my run is 2. Okay. Step 3, turn the ratio into a fraction. Now, remember, with midpoints, the ratio is always the same. The ratio doesn't change. The ratio is a 1-to-1. That's how it always is for these. So that means it's 1/1 + 1, or 1/2. Okay, so step 4. Okay, step 4. Multiply step 2 and step 3. Okay, so again, if we look at our x's, if I take the x from step 2, which is 2, and I multiply it to the fraction that I got in step 3, which is 1/2, you're going to get 2/2, or just 1. If you do the y, okay, that's going to be 4 times that fraction from the step 3, which is 1/2. Which gives you 4/2, or 2. Okay. So step 5, you're going to add step 4 to our starting point. Okay. So remember, our starting point was G, which was at 7, -5. So if I look at the x's, I'm going to take 7 and I'm going to add the x that I got from step 4, which that is 1. So that means that my new x is at 8. Same thing for the y. If I take my y value, which is -5, and I add what we got from the previous step for y, which is 2, I'm going to get -3. So my point is at 8, -3. So again, this is method 1. There are 2 other methods that I'm going to show you in 2 other videos to be able to do these types of problems.